Excuse me, because I am sick, so the voice is definitely being lost. But watching this video is like arguing with my mom. You're so funny. WTF? Do you mean 3050 Super? Like 3080? Brother, Jesus Christ. Just finished the vid and felt that I walked away with less brain cells. Oh my god. If you guys are already aware, I am trolling when I'm making these review videos. However, I am reviewing it from the standpoint and the knowledge base that I have. For instance, my PC, my most viewed video still to this day, was literally me reading off the components of what's inside the pre-build Digital Storm PC. That means nothing to me in terms of like, holy crap, I know what I'm doing. Obviously, I don't. Now, it's been 3-4 years since that happened, so I know a little bit more, but it's not like I'm an expert. I'm just basically sharing the normal peopleized perception of a PC. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over the creator's PC from NZXT. It's again another pre-build, but unlike last video where we did the whole review of the NZXT starter gaming PC pre-build, this one's like supposedly a lot better. Obviously, they're going to get more expensive as they go, just like the Digital Storm or just like any other pre-build site. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this because I'm curious to see what's available. The creator PC, pre-build content creation PC. Here we go. Okay, see. So again, it's the same old like build appearance. So that's kind of interesting. So I mean, don't really feel necessary. Wow, they're sold out. Holy, all of them are sold out. And they range, hey, I'll be honest with you, the lowest grade PC right now is $2,099. I got my PC for a little over $2,000. I think it was like 2,087 bucks. So I'm kind of curious to see what the NZXT one has to offer versus the one that I have. Given that, let's go ahead and just start off with the creator PC at $2,099. Again, I really like the fact that I can pick between a matte black mid-tower case and a white one. Honestly, I don't know if I'd ever go with the white PC. I don't like the look of the white. The black looks nice though. Alright, so we have the creator PC. What does this have in here? Okay, so now we're getting to better specs. Now we got the 160 FPS with Modern Warfare. We got an Intel Core i7-12700KF, so it is a better CPU. GeForce RTX 3070 Ti, so 3070 with a titanium core, stronger core. Awesome. And for those of you who tell me that's not true, that is 110% true. Look it up. So that's not bad actually. So far so good. For $2,099 before taxes and shipping, I'd say that's pretty reasonable. I mean, you got a really good CPU and you obviously have a really nice GPU. All right, so let's see what's in the tech specs. Okay, so again, CPUs that it has it's 12 core. Nice. 3.6 gigahertz. Okay, so actually this is a better CPU than what I have. I have an 8 core and it's an i7-9700K. So this has 4 more cores than I do, so I can run multiple threads faster at once in a single time than what mine can. But mine can also overclock to 5.12 gigahertz versus this one's 3.6 gigahertz. But then again, you have 4 more cores than what I do. GPU, amazing. The RAM. Now we're getting up to the 3200 megahertz of 32 gigabytes of the DDR4 RAM. Wow, that's sick. That's as much as I have. That's actually, okay, hold on. We're going to do a review between this one and my actual PC in a moment because I'm actually kind of curious. So now we have 1 terabyte of M.2 SSD, 1 terabyte of storage, Windows 11 for the operating system, really nice motherboard, Z690. I actually have that one, and I only know that because I've had to do so many different things with Asus. So Asus Z690, it's a really nice motherboard. I've not had any issues with it. Let's see. A really nice CPU cooler. So this is NZXT Kraken X63. I actually got this one from my buddy who was building a PC. I love it. This CPU cooler is basically a maintenance-free CPU cooler. So essentially, like, if you guys have ever seen the ones that have the water or like the liquid that actually cools everything and you have to keep on replacing it, this isn't like that. And I honestly will never get a PC that's like that because I think that's just a waste. And it's actually really hard to maintain. Oh, nice. It's got a 750 watt power supply with the 80 plus gold rating. Nice. Again, the memory is a DDR4. Case is just a case. So that's cool. I mean, between the creator PC and the one that I have, this is actually nicer and it's cheaper because the one that I had, if you count everything that I've upgraded myself, you're looking at probably about $2,300. That's after taxes and shipping versus this one is, I mean, I would assume it's probably gonna be around like 2,200, maybe a little under 23 with taxes and shipping, if it's even that much. And this, you're already getting 1 terabyte of SSD and 1 terabyte of hard drive storage. I only have 500 gigabytes of hard drive and I only got 1 terabyte of SSD SSD when I bought mine, so this is already a lot better. I really like this PC, but it's sold out. So without further ado, let's go to the Creator Plus PC. So this is for $2,399. Again, it's just the same look. If anyone has an NZXT Prebuild, could you please let me know if it actually is the same layout as all the other ones? It's just a matter of the better parts are put in. So I'm talking like the GPU, the CPU, or like the RAM, or anything else that's really different. Let me know if it looks different inside, or is it just all the same? I'm kind of curious. Do they have it sold out on everything? Oh, damn. All right, Creator Plus PC. So this actually is really nice. Wow, 181 in FPS on the Modern Warfare. I like it. Oh, that feels so much better. I can hear myself now. Intel Core i9 12900K. That's a really nice CPU. I will be 100% honest with you. That sucker's gonna do you well. GeForce RTX 3080. Nice. I believe the next one up, but before you get to the 40 series, is a 3090. I'm so far really impressed. So this is a 16 core. Holy shit. Wow. Listen. That's a whole 8 more cores than what I have in my PC right now. That is insane. And we're only in the Creator Plus, and there's another one to go after this. 3080. It's got 32 gigabytes of RAM again. So it's okay. So it seems like it's all the same thing except for the GPU and CPU are different. Yes, that's literally all the difference. Okay, I can assure you this. For $300 more, I would much rather go with a 16 core and an i9 and a 3080 than go with an i7 that has a 12 core and a 3070. Wow. Okay, now I'm kind of curious as to what the hell this next one's going to be like. The Creator Pro PC. Oh boy. Is this one sold out too? Shoot. Damn. $2,999 for $3,000. Okay. Wow. So this can run 197 FPS on Modern Warfare. Wow. That must be nice. So same CPU. So GPU is different this time. So it is a 3090 Ti, so it's gonna have a titanium core to it. And I believe that's the last step before you get up to the 40 series, unless you go up to the supers, which all super means is that it's like the comparison that I could give from my knowledge base is that if you have, for example, a 3060 Super, you compare it to like a 3080. It's like skipping a gen. Reality is like they're basically the same thing. So now we go to the tech specs. Okay, so again, it's got the same CPU, same GPU. RAM, it's got 64 gigabytes. Holy shit. That's a lot. This thing is overkill. Holy. It's got 1 terabyte of hard drive. That's nice. Wow. It's got 2 sets of M.2 SSD at 1 terabyte. That is insane. Wow. And it looks like everything else is the same. Oh, except for the power supply now. So that's a 850 watt. And this comes with a warranty. So it's got 2 warranties for parts and labor. So I guess when you're getting up to that. Wait. Did everyone not have that? That seems kind of weird that they wouldn't have that, right? Hold on. Oh, no, they come with it. Okay. To be 100% fair, each one of these things are complete overkill. Now, I will say, for the amount of money that I've put into my current PC and the very small PC that we have here, obviously, the little PC is going to win over mine. And for $2,099, that's freaking nice. And now for, I guess, if you want me to give an overall opinion on which one should be the best bet, I think it should be the middle one. Now, the reason why I say this is because reality is you don't need 2 sets of SSD at 1 terabyte. You really don't. You already have an i9 at 16 core. You have a 3080. You have a 750 watt power supply, a CPU cooler that's really nice. You have a really nice motherboard. You have really nice RAM. 32 gigabytes of RAM is plenty, guys. That's a really nice PC. You got 181 FPS on Call of Duty and 190 on Fortnite. Come on, like that's pretty nice. I would say if you had next to $300 to spend, just go ahead and upgrade to an i9 with a 3080 versus a 3070 or 3060, whichever it was. You're not gonna get anything more budget friendly than that. I will be honest with you. That's actually a really nice PC. I genuinely can't wait to hear what I sound like in the edit, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Hope you enjoyed these videos. And again, if you always want me to review some other ones, just let me know and I'll do it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Goodbye. Peace.